All right, number 12 says to describe how the value of n affects the shape of the binomial histogram. So this is something that they want you to understand from the reading. I believe, and I'll go back and show you in the textbook, as n gets larger, the shape of the distribution gets closer to normal. Okay, so, and this is if you hold the probability of success is fixed. Okay, so I want to show you in the text there's different shapes based on the probability of success, but no matter what the probability of success is, if you increase the value of n really large, which we'll start talking about that in the next section, everything gets close to normal. Let me show you that reading. It's a really good reading to understand that. Almost there. Okay. Some of this is kind of showing you what the distribution looks like. So this one says when you have 10, the probability of success is 0.2, and then you have 10, so we're holding the number of trials fixed, 10, and the probability of success is 50, and then 10, the probability of success is 80. So what you notice when you have a low probability of success, this is the first one for figure A, you get a skew to the right because most of your success is going to be very low, 2. That's what we expect. And then the higher we go, the lower the probability that we have success if we have a low probability of success. So you get a skew to the right graph. If we have a 50%, it looks normal, so 5 is the highest. If we have a high probability of success, 0.8, we get a skew to the left graph because the chance that we have a low number of successes is really low, and then when we get up to 7 and 8, it goes pretty high. So this is the reading that explains that. It says the probability distribution is skewed to the right if we are less than 5. It will be symmetric if it is equal to 0.5, and it's going to be skewed to the left if it's greater than 0.5. And then it tells you that's what the role of P plays. So then when you look at n, so if we're changing n from 10 to 30 to 70 and so on, these are the shapes that we see. So when it's 0.2, we're holding probability at 0.2. We have a skew to the right, and then as we get to 30, it looks a little bit more normal. You still got a small skew to the right, but then when we go to 70, it looks normal. So that's what this question is asking. So as the value of n gets greater, we get closer to this normal shape. So as n increases, binomial becomes more bell-shaped, yes. N decreases, it becomes more bell-shaped, no. Skew to the right, decreases. So A is going to be the best answer choice there.